coincide. Orbit of them don't coincide. So we should, when we study about something, we should ask that why it's happening and why it's not happening, and what further can happen and what further can happen. So these are the basic things you should do. So now the reason we study solar eclipse and we study lunar eclipse and we study about northern celestials and the southern celestials, why we study because again and again I'm saying that the more we study universe, the more we find our relation and our connection with the universe, the more we find. Because when we study about, we human didn't know from all the ages that we come from a star. What you are thinking that we come from a star and we know from the beginning? No, man, no, this is not. And even we can believe that, you know, some people used to say that when our loved one go and we see that they become stars. It's perfect thing, that's something way, but even you say we have to find evidence for that. So because we find the evidence that we came from star, how we find that? We find that by studying the universe. So we are studying about solar eclipse, we are studying about lunar eclipse, not because we are only interested in lunar eclipse or solar eclipse. We are interested in universe, and the day we are more and more coming, and the more and more we study, the more and more study, like we are, what is the I think know about universe. After 5 years I will know more, and 10 years know and more, and the more and more I will know, and the more and more I will feel, and the more I will think, and the more and more I will imagine, and the more and more I will relate with myself and every life in the universe. The more and more I will feel connection with the universe, the more and more I feel deeper relation with universe, the more and more I feel cosmic relation, a universal relation. And the more and more we study, the more and more our action become universal, because our thinking start become universal. Our thinking start in alignment with the universe. We are thinking universally. We start doing the words which even don't beneficial also. Like we are starting doing project like planting tree or cleaning tree, which will benefit the 50 years after. We starting things like that. We started creating NGO and charity, and we starting doing too many things and bringing peace in light, which will bring world peace after 15 years, after 100 years. We starting thinking like that. And how we studying like that? The more we see, studying the universe is not that we are studying doing any normal work. It is not like that. Studying universe is that we are doing something very scientific and very spiritual. The more and more we study universe, the more and more we feel relation with universe. The more and more we feel that all the life in the universe are connected. Because we are made of carbon, and animals made of carbon, and birds are made of carbon, and the ocean, in the species living in the ocean are made of carbon. We have the relation. We all are having life. We are all born and we all die, physically at least. Our energy component go in this space, that is a different thing, but physically we die. Like I am doing this work, I can't do this after 50. I don't know. I personally think I will live 100 years, but I don't know. Maybe after 100 years I won't. So the physically I am doing, I will not doing this. So studying universe is not just normal thing that we are doing this. We are studying universe because the more and more we study universe, the more and more we feel that sun is giving light to us, and it is not differentiating that from that these kind of people should get light, like poor, richer, color on caste and creed. They are not differentiating. Rain is starting and they don't never differentiate. We came from star elements. I didn't know this thing before 1 month, and I know now. It is not any regular work, man. It is not regular work to study about universe. We study about universe because we feel and we see and we understand and we realize that the more and more we study about universe, the more and more we feel our relation and connection with universe. That's the reason we study universe. Like today I know thing about universe, and after the thing excite me every day. Like I am night thinker because I am artist and scientist, and the thing excites me that after one day what I will know, after one day what I will know, and the next day, and the next day, and next day, and I am thinking about it. What type of art I am creating after 5 years? I am thinking about what I am create I will after 10 years. This thing excites me. That after 10 years, how much I will feel a deeper relation with universe. How much deeper I will feel. I will completely align and completely become one with universe, and my action will be completely universal, and my action thinking will become completely universe, because the more I will study about universe. Studying about universe is not normal and regular work, man. Please don't take it like that. It is too special, it is too significant, because the most beautiful creation in the universe is life. The most beautiful creation in the universe is life, that we are. All the living lives in the universe, and the life is the only living creation in the universe that which has the property to evolve and become and to flourish another life. To study universe, we came from universe and we study universe. It is not small thing, man. I don't know how can I express my feeling to everyone, but it is not regular and small thing. It is not regular and small thing. We have to feel that we are studying universe, and we have to feel that the only, if I summarize everything the reason why the reason I study universe, just only for one thing, because I want to feel how much deeper I am rooted with universe. The only reason I'm studying and creating universe, the only reason is that I want to know how much deeper rooted I am with universe, how much relative I am, how much in relation I am with universe, how much connection I am with universe in all the living life in the universe. That is the only reason I'm saying. The only reason I'm saying, because I want to become one with God, because He created and I want to align with His thinking, His or her, whatever God is. It's very personal reason, man. It's very personal reason. Studying universe is too special and significant thing. Thank you.